In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Xero reports. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right report, how to fine-tune it with dates and filters, and how to save or export it so you can share clean, consistent results with your team. Start by heading to Xero and signing into your organization. Once you land on the dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company file and currency, especially if you manage multiple entities. This helps make sure your numbers line up with what you expect before you build any reports. From the main navigation, click Reporting. This is your hub for everything from high-level financial statements to detailed account and tax reports. If you're not seeing what you need right away, don't worry, we'll open the full list next. Choose All Reports to view the complete library. Here you can browse categories or search by name. Pick the report that fits your goal. For example, profit and loss for performance over a period, balance sheet for a snapshot of assets and liabilities, aged receivables for what customers owe, or account transactions if you need line-by-line detail. Selecting the right starting point saves time later and keeps your analysis focused. Once your chosen report opens, set the date or date range. You can use presets like month, quarter, or year, or enter custom dates for more precision. Then use the filter options to narrow the view. Common filters include tracking categories, specific accounts, contacts, or regions, whatever your organization uses to segment data. If the report supports it, you can also switch between cash and accrual basis to match how you report results. When your selections look right, click Update to refresh the report with your new settings. If you get an empty result, simply broaden the dates or relax a filter and update again. With your report looking the way you want, you can save it as a draft or export it. Saving as a draft keeps your date range and filters so you can quickly revisit the same setup next time. Great for monthly or quarterly workflows. Exporting lets you share or archive the results, typically as PDF for presenting or as Excel or CSV for deeper analysis. Use a clear file name with the report type and period so it's easy to find later. That's it. Go to Xero, open Reporting, browse all reports, choose the right one, set your dates and filters, click Update, then save or export. Follow these steps each time and you'll generate consistent, reliable Xero reports in minutes.